everyone, my name is Madhu Rawat from class 9. Today I am going to explain subtopic R Science chapter 4, Structure of an Atom. Structure of an atom. J.J. Thomson was first scientist to propose that the structure of an atom. Thomson model of an atom. An atom consists of positively charged sphere and the electron are embedded in it. The negative and the positively charged are equal in magnitude, so the atom mass of wall is electrically neutral. Rutherford model of an atom. Rutherford was interested in knowing how the electrons are arranged within an atom. He designed an experiment and he used a gold foil. He selected a gold foil because he wanted as thin a layer as possible. This gold foil was about 1000 atoms thick. Observation of Rutherford. Most of the fast moving alpha particles pass straight through the gold foil. Some of the alpha particles were deflected by small angles. Surprisingly, 1 out of 12,000 particles appear to rebound. Drawbacks of Rutherford model. The revolution of electron in circular orbit is not to be expected to be stable. Thus, the revolving electron lose energy and finally fall into the nucleus. Bohr model of an atom. Only create a special orbit known as discrete orbit allow inside the atom. While revolving electron in discrete orbit, the electron do not radiate energy. Neutron. In 1932, J. Chadwick presents another subatomic particle which has no charge and the mass are equal to proton. It is named as neutron. Valency. When each element combined capacity is called valency of an object. Atomic number. Atomic number is defined as the total number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. It is denoted by Z. Mass number. Mass number is defined as the sum of total number of proton and neutron present in the nucleus of an atom. It is denoted by A. Isotopes. Isotope defined as the same atomic number but different mass number. Isobar. Isobar is defined as the same mass number but different atomic number. Thank you.